مرحبا بكم في قناة تاتس التعليمية. ادعم القناة بالاشتراك وتفعيل الجرس والإعجاب. الآن زوروا موقعنا howtutsgames.com للتركيز على الدروس واختبار المعلومات، كما يتم تحديث المحتوى التعليمي باستمرار. Unit 5 الوحدة الخامسة Hanging out in town التمشي في القرية. هل تعرف أسماء المباني في قريتك وكيف تصل إليها؟
First, let's practice the words. Train station, supermarket, elementary school, post office, bus stop, convenience store. Now, let's practice some sentences. Excuse me, where's the post office? Where's the train station? Where's the convenience store? Where's the supermarket? Where's the elementary school? Where's the bus stop? Is it far? How long does it take? Now, let's practice some answers. It's far from here. It's near here. It's about a 5-minute walk. It's only a few minutes. It's right over there. It's just around the corner. Now, make pairs and act it out, like this.
Okay, I'll start. Excuse me, where's the post office?
It's just around the corner.
Is it far?
No, it's only a few minutes.
Okay, thanks.
You're welcome. Now it's my turn to start. Excuse me, where's the train station?
It's just around the corner.
How long does it take?
It's about a 5-minute walk.
Okay, thanks.
You're welcome.
Okay, now it's your turn.
هل يمكنك أن تساعد صاحبك في الوصول إلى مكان لا يعرف طريقه؟
First, let's practice some sentences. Go straight. Keep walking. Turn right at the next signal. Turn left at the next corner. Turn left at the second corner. It's on your right. It's on your left. It's in front of you. It's behind you. It's opposite the bus stop. It's next to the school. Now make pairs and give directions, like this.
Excuse me?
Yes.
Where's the post office?
Go straight and you'll find it on your left.
Is it far from here?
It's near.
Thank you.
You're welcome. Now it's my turn. Excuse me. Yes. Where's the train station? Go straight. Turn right at the second corner. Keep walking and you'll find it on your left. Is it far from here? It's about a 5-minute walk. Thank you. You're welcome.
Now let's do it for real.
استمع وردد going to سيقوم ب أو ذاهب إلى.
I want a stapler and staples. I'm going to the stationery store. You want some candy. You're going to the candy store. My brother wants a new DVD. He's going to the DVD store. Mom wants some bread and cakes. She's going to the bakery. We want some books. We're going to the bookstore. Grandma and Grandpa want some flowers and pots. They're going to the flower store.
علينا أن ننتبه للفاعل قبل going to. إذا كان I ينبغي أن نأتي ب am، وإذا كان you ينبغي أن نأتي ب are وتختصر إلى your، و I تصبح I'm going to the stationery store. You're going to the candy store. وهي ينبغي أن تأتي بعدها is ثم نأتي ب going to وتختصر إلى he's going to، وأيضا كذلك she is تصبح she's going to. we're going to. they are going to.
First, let's practice the verbs.
I'm going. You're going.
He's going.
She's going. We're going.
You're going.
They're going.
Now, practice in pairs. One partner say a form of going, the other partner say the next one, like this.
Are you ready? Okay. I'm going. You're going.
He's going.
She's going. We're going.
You're going.
They're going.
Okay, my turn.
I'm going.
You're going.
Okay, now it's your turn.
تدرب على تكوين هذه الأزمنة.
Where are you going? First, let's practice the words. Listen, point, and say. Bakery. Stationery store. Coffee shop. DVD store. Bookstore. Flower store. Butcher shop. Convenience store. Supermarket. Now let's play. Choose 3 words and put a dot over each one. Listen carefully to the sentences and circle each word when you hear it. Are you ready? I'm going to the stationery store. You're going to the bookstore. He's going to the DVD store. She's going to the bakery. We're going to the flower store.
Done.
Okay, tell me your answers.
DVD store. Bookstore. Flower store.
Yes, that's right. Well done.
It's fun. Let's do it again.
Okay, now let's play for real.
ماذا عن الأشياء التي تبحث عنها في لعبة التسوق؟
First, let's practice the words. Listen, point, and say. A stapler. Some candy. A new DVD. Some bread and cakes. Some books. Some flowers and pots. Some meat. A newspaper. Some eggs. Now let's play. Choose 3 words and put a dot over each one. Listen carefully to the sentences and circle each word when you hear it. Are you ready? My brother wants a new DVD. Mom wants some bread and cakes. You want some candy. Grandma and Grandpa want some flowers and pots. We want some books. I want a stapler. We want some meat. My sister wants a newspaper. They want some eggs.
Done!
Well done. Now let's play again. This time say what you want and where you are going to buy it.
تدرب على الألوان في هذه الأنشودة. There was a little green house.
There was a little green house.
There was a little green house. And in the little green house, there was a little brown house. And in the little brown house, there was a little yellow house. And in the little yellow house, there was a little white house. And in the little white house, there was a little red heart.
غير كلمة house إلى أي شيء من هذه الأشياء. box, bottle, fish, book, doll, letter.
Like this.
There was a little green box. And in the little green box, there was a little brown box. And in the little brown box, there was a little yellow box. And in the little yellow box, there was a little white box. And in the little white box, there was a little red heart. No, not a red heart. A red ball. Okay, a red ball is a good idea.
هل يمكنك كتابة أنشودتك الشخصية؟
Let's practice words for rooms. Bedroom. Living room. Dining room. Kitchen. Bathroom.
A big white house. There was a big white house. And in the big white house, there were 2 floors. And on the first floor, there was a living room. And next to the living room, there was a dining room. And on the second floor, there were 2 bedrooms. And in the bedrooms, there were beds, chairs, and clothes.
Okay, now make pairs and write your own chant.
Talk about the rooms in your house and the things in them.
تدرب على نطق هذه الحروف UE long UE متقاربة.
U space E says U. U. Cube. Cube.
U space E says U. U. Cube. Cube.
UE says U. U. Barbecue. Barbecue.
UE
says you. You. Barbecue. Barbecue.
هل يمكنك كتابة هذه الكلمات بإملائها الصحيح؟
1,
Tissue. Tissue.
2,
Tuesday. Tuesday.
3,
Cute. Cute.
4,
Huge. Huge.
5,
Blue. Blue.
6,
Glue. Glue.
7,
Mosque. Mosque. Make pairs. Unscramble the letters and write the words.
Tissue. Tissue.
Tuesday. Capital Tuesday. Cute. Cute.
Huge. Huge.
Blue. Blue. Glue. Glue.
Mosque. Mosque.
Well done! Remember, UE at the end of mosque is silent.
هل يمكنك تنظيم هذه الجمل بشكلها الصحيح؟ هل يمكنك قراءة هذه اللوحات الإرشادية؟
Let's practice the signs. 1. No parking. 2. Keep off grass. 3. No skateboards. 4. No bicycles. 5. No shouting. 6. Library. 7. Warning, please switch off all cell phones. 8. Please do not litter. 9. No eating, no drinking. 10. No balls.
1. No parking. لا وقوف. Please keep off grass. لا تطأ على العشب. No skateboards. لا تستخدم الزلاجات. Don't ride a bike. لا تركب الدراجة. Don't make noise. لا تصدر ضجيجا. Library. المكتبة بهذا الاتجاه. Warning. تحذير. Please switch off all cell phones. أطفئ الجوالات. Think green. فكر في المحافظة على البيئة. Don't litter. لا ترمي الأنقاض أو المخلفات. No eating. لا أكل. No drinking. لا شرب. No balls. لا تستخدم الكرة. الآن زوروا موقعنا howtutsgames.com للتركيز على الدروس واختبار المعلومات، كما يتم تحديث المحتوى التعليمي باستمرار. كان معكم الأستاذ جاسم العقيلي، مع تمنياتنا لكم بالتوفيق والتفوق.